Hey guys, what's up again? Cutie Pie 88. I'm coming to you with an exciting new review, one of my first, so you want to definitely stay tuned. So I have my first twisted lace wig. Now I have reviewed a twisted wig before, but not like this, to where it's kind of twisted down in a cornrow style, but it's twists. And it does come with baby hair as shown here. So I'm really excited. This unit is from Braids Queen. Definitely check this unit out. So affordable, you guys. I'm talking about under $130 for this 30-inch unit. So it does come with a sewn on elastic band, so it's not removable. It comes with a total of 3 combs, 13x6 lace, and 1 comb in the back and adjustable straps. Now this wig is 22.5 cap size, so it's a little on the small side for me. So it's small head friendly. And the twist length is 30 inches. It's very light and it's synthetic hair. Now the lace is a synthetic type of lace. It is not super soft, but it does the job. So let's go ahead and pop the tag on and put this unit on. Very easy to slip on. Now here I had a little trouble because, like I said, the unit is small head friendly, so I had some adjusting to do. I had to pull it down. It doesn't give me a lot of space. Oh, I thought I needed a wig grip, but it actually made it too tight, so I took the wig grip out. So you don't need any extra grip with this wig. It's actually on the tighter side, and I had trouble actually pulling it down, but it worked. But notice the cap. When I looked up, I was like, wait, what? No. So I went ahead and took that cap off. And now it's better. I do wish it was lighter on the inside. So I do suggest putting some powder on the inside just to make it look like more realistic scalp. But this will do for the review. And one thing I wish that the twist went back a little far, because I feel like it's a little hump right where the twist in. I wish the twist went back a little far, but the quality is amazing. And like I said, this is synthetic hair, kind of similar to those, synthetic units that they sell at the beauty supply store. That's how the twists feel. And it's pretty full. It's not heavy at all, but of course it is tracks in the back. So you do have to be careful, when walking around, so those tracks don't show in the back. But very, very smooth, lightweight, true to length. The unit is made extremely well. So it does come with baby hair, like I said, but I will go ahead and use the spray method before taking the lace off. I'll go ahead and spray it down so it can attach and then take the lace off. So I'm just going to lay this down for about 5 minutes. It's not going to take long to dry at all. Well, actually, I think I did it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes and let it dry. All right, so this is after letting it sit for about 10 minutes. You can't see it now, but it's actually laid down pretty well. So I did struggle with this lace a little bit. So you do want to swipe all the baby hair out the way. And I did struggle with cutting this. I thought I didn't have to cut a lot, but I actually did have to. So if you see, I'm going to do that off camera. So after cutting the lace off, I literally cut it off all the way up to the braid. So it's just a tiny bit of lace left. I actually didn't cut enough off the sides. But I'm just going in with a little foundation to make it more of my skin color. And I'm putting more spray because, like I said, I didn't cut enough lace off. So I had those lace flaps on the side. But later I went ahead and cut all the lace off, so you don't have to worry about reapplying spray. So I am brushing the baby hair down. And guys, remember, this is synthetic hair, so I did struggle with laying the baby hair down. It acted like it didn't want to lay because it's not human. It's like it didn't want to stick to my skin, but it's okay. You definitely want to cut these baby hairs short. Less is more. I actually cut it shorter than this later on because they were just too long. You want it to be as realistic as possible, and baby hair isn't actually that long. So you want to snip it pretty short. But of course, it's all up to you, all your preference. If you want long swoop baby hair, girl, go ahead and do it. But for this unit, I just felt like a shorter was a little better. So I did lay this down for about 5 minutes. And here's the result. So as you can see, it's very realistic looking. And the baby hair, I believe, is even realistic looking. Now, I did go in with a little bit of coconut spray and sprayed it just to give the twist a little bit more sheen. But this product is amazing. Like, if you're looking for this style, quick, under 15 minutes install, this is the unit for you. And I do want to go in and just style it a little bit, put some style options, show some style options for you guys. But like I said, I wish the twist went back just a little bit further, so I didn't get this hump that I have here. Like, if they went back a little bit further, closer to my ears, I think it would be more of a smooth ponytail. But it's okay. It's super cute. And this is even good for like teens and teenagers, you know, girls trying to get into wigs, but still kind of young, not really ready for all the actual hair and all that stuff. So I love it. It's very cute. I would even rock this in the summertime. It's so lightweight and the twists are so extremely neat. Now, of course, with these wigs, we have to show you guys the back. And like I said, it is like kind of like tracks, and the twists are twist off the tracks. But when the hair is up in a ponytail like that, it'll definitely cover it. So that's what it's going to be. If you love it, I still love it. It is an awesome unit, and the twists are twisted all the way to the end. It's giving me 90s vibes. It is so cute. So definitely hit up this link below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.